Webunge ya West Mugrango Steve Mugaka abeire ka kogenda maminchane ngana yomuraiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto na nigo university me county Nyamira erabege kwagachwa asensemo ya Kiabunyoruga ukona na barikia mangana samagacha CDF mebunge ya West Mugrango county Nyamira Mugaka nigate na ense ya Kenya nigo kogamberwa nerichiko ase aganire akoteba agosase abeire gakugania buna lichiko libeli kubwati wa senchera ereyo boikira Achoko igoro yokubekwa kwe university eyo imeye county ya Nyamira nigaganire chinjira chingikiranu ko bwatiwa anerombe yuego tatase university rabekwe ko bwatia buna chinjere cyo eryo Nyamira kwewa university asenchera erendongere okinebirengo bekisemi ase county eyo
amangane president yakwanete igoro ya Kiabonyoru na amangana ari bosa yekwera president tetebe tikende igogerere twe akabeki kwa mangana monua achete ko batigeranga hajo president terweti university Kiabonyoru na ende Kiabonyoru te ko university egekogera Kiabonyoru gere a scene of crime as 100 million shillings cy'abantu banyamira cyeibirwe ntogwanja na ende kibese kinde kigende ko iberwororo unabarubiritie umuroberi bunabaraye na Commission of University Education toro veretie ba process ye keregento igoro ye university batoe outcome engineer outcome chokolegas president tebu atinguru chiokote bangi university iragochiga ntobwate katiba Kenya ga ntobwate machiko Kenya ga ntobwate procedure ebintu bikokorerwa and I dare say inga abantu banze ko behave njere kabireye egekwera there is no way for example bono commission of higher education yera icheto tebinga inga asabate ba university ko bekunki Abonyoru how esa uli president yakwana Kenya let me tell you Nyamira County nero ibwate the best performing chief justice you retired emeritus nabo wakili tubwateka a top brains in the republic ntotageti koewa university ere crooked in Nyamira igo tutageti university ere piwa erosirie through the process of law ego chigotenena tingo ikaranza buno mochumbe li chumbe so meta machiko mumanye konyigorie university ere borogochi mubeka banororo bae guchi certificate ge koiruko tini ngegenteke nkero siri according to law you have wasted our children.